Unlock your Twilio experience faster than ever using your existing Google account. To begin, open your preferred web browser and carefully type or navigate to the official Twilio login page, ensuring you're on the correct, secure URL. Once on the Twilio login screen, direct your attention to the options below the standard email and password fields. You'll clearly see the distinct Sign In with Google button. With a simple click on this button, you'll instantly initiate a secure redirect to Google's authentication service, preparing to use your existing Google credentials. A new window or tab will then appear, presenting a list of your currently logged in Google accounts. Select the specific Google account you wish to link with your Twilio profile. If this is your very first time connecting Twilio with Google, you might encounter a permission screen here. Google asks for your consent to share basic profile information with Twilio. Carefully review the details and then click Continue or Allow to proceed. Congratulations! In just a few moments, you'll be securely logged into your Twilio Console. You can now seamlessly manage your communication projects, explore new features, and access all your Twilio resources. Leveraging your Google account for Twilio Sign-In offers a secure, convenient, and simplified login experience. It's a quick way to get straight to building. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.